Okay, good morning, students 10A and B. Today is the first chapter, numericals. Here, the numericals is very important part of the physics. So what is the question number one? The moment of force. The moment of a force of 10 Newton about a fixed point O is 5 Newton meter. Calculate the distance of the point O from the line of action of the force. Solution, see the diagram, point O to P. O is the pivoted point and O to P distance, suppose the R. So what is the for the given part? Given is the F is equal to 10 Newton. Moment of force or torque, the symbol torque is the 5 Newton meter. R is the distance, this is the find out. Now the formula of moment of force is equal to F into R. This is compared in the theory part. Force multiplied by distance. Moment of force is given 5 Newton meter. Force is the 10 multiplied by R. So what is the R? 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10. This is for the in the denominator is the 10. So 0 point. Otherwise for this 10 1 is 10. 0 point decimal. 10 5 is 50. So 0.5 meter. After one decimal point, after one decimal place, write down the point. So 0.5 meter your answer. The distance of the point O from the line of action of the force is R is equal to 0.5 meter. Second numerical. For this chapter, the diagram. So diagram is given. Two forces, F1 is equal to 5 Newton and F2 is equal to 3 Newton, acting at points A and B of a rod. Pivoted means the moving point at a point O such that OA is equal to 2 meter and OB is equal to 4 meters. Diagram given in the question. A to B is the rod, O is the distance between A to O is the 2 meter and O to B is the 4 meter. F1 force applied by the point F1 is equal to 5 Newton and F2 is equal to 3 Newton. Point A is the anti-clockwise direction and point B is the clockwise direction. So what is the first the calculate? Question is asked. The moment of force F1 about O means what is the moment of force the point A, and second the moment of force F2 about O means the moment of force find out the point B, and third one is the total moment of the force, total moment of the two forces about O. So how is the find first the moment of force one AO and next is the OB. What is the given? OA is the 2 meter, OB is the 4 meter, F1 is the 5 Newton, F2 is the 3 Newton. First solve sub question moment of force F1 point O at A. Same formula for the moment of force multiplied by distance. So F1 multiplied by, see the diagram, OA. F1 put 5 and OA is the 2, so 5 to the 10 Newton meter. This is the answer number 1. But now this is the anti-clockwise direction. And next is the second moment of force F2 point O at B is equal to F2 force multiplied by distance is the OB. See the diagram? O to B, point B. So F2 into OB, F2 is the 3 Newton and OB is the 4 meter. 3 into 4, 12 Newton meter for second answer, clockwise direction. What the total moment of force is? For the first moment of force and for the second moment of force. What is the first moment of force? The anti-clockwise direction. Second is the clockwise direction. So this is the subtraction because the opposite direction to each other. What is the first one? 12. Those are greater, first write down 12, and for the small is the 10. The 12 minus 10, 2 Newton meter. This is for the clockwise direction. Why? Because the bigger moment of force is the clockwise direction. Question number 3. Any doubtful for the question number 1, 2, please ask me directly. For the what is the what is the Newton meter? This is the SI unit of moment of force. And Newton is the for this SI unit of force, Newton, and for the meter is the SI unit of distance. Question number 3 is the different. This is the meter ruler. Meter ruler for the 1 meter. How many centimeter? Total is the 100 centimeter. Figure is shows. What is the midpoint for the 100 centimeter? 50 centimeter, and this is for the pivoted point. Figure shows a uniform meter rule placed on a full column. Full column means the pivoted point, moving point, and inshallah for the chapter number 3, detail in the machine chapter. It is midpoint O, and why the midpoint? Because the midpoint means the 50 centimeter for the left side, 50 centimeter for the right side. And having a weight 40 gf at the 10 centimeter mark and a weight of 20 gf at the 90 centimeter mark. So see that what is the midpoint from the 40 gf 10 mark. The 10 mark is, see the diagram, 10 to 20, 10, 20 to 30, 20, 30 to 40, 30, and 40 to 50, 40. Same for the right hand side, the 90 marks. So 90 to 80, 10, 80 to 70, 20, and for the 70 to 80, 30, and 70 to 60, 30, and 60 to 50, 40. What to calculate? It is the meter rule in equilibrium, means the balance. But if not balance, for this weight given in the diagram, how will the rule turn? How turn the rule? How many distance for the rule is the turn? This is the first question. Second question, how can the rule be brought in equilibrium, the balance, by using an additional weight of 40 gf. Extra weight for the 40 gf is the height. What is the situation of the ruler? First is the left side. This is the anti-clockwise moment. So what is the 40 into, I tell for the 50 minus 10, and for this 10 to 20, 10, 20 to 30, 20 and 30 to 40, 30 and 40 to 50, 40. Otherwise for the 50 minus 10, again 40. 40 into 40 for the 16 to 0, 16 double 0 gf centimeter. This is G for the CGS unit of the Newton. CGS unit of the moment of force, gram force centimeter, because given in the diagram for the GF, gram force, CGS unit, and centimeter. Okay, clockwise moment 20 into where is the marking? 90. So 90 minus 50. And see here for the 10 marking, so 10 is less than 50. First sum, so 50 minus 10. Second sum, 90 is greater, 50 is less, so 90 minus 50. This is equal to 20 into 40, is equal to 2 4 the 800, so 800 GF centimeter. And who is the greater, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise is greater because the 1600 is the greater than 800. So anti-clockwise movement is not equal to clockwise movement. Those are equal, apply the principle of movement, but not equal, not apply the principle of movement, means not a balance. So the meter rule is not equilibrium and it will turn anti-clockwise direction, not balance. Why anti-clockwise direction? Because the moment of force of anti-clockwise direction is greater than clockwise direction. Second question. What is the second question? For the extra 4GF is the height h. How can the rule be turned in equilibrium by using an addition weight of 40GF? So what is the here? First, there's some theory in order to balance. You know, for the middle step balance, for the not for the upper dipper, 40GF is the weight. 40GF is added up to the balance of the meter rule. Should be kept on right hand side. So why right hand side? Because right hand side is the weight is the less than left hand side. 20GF is less than 40GF. So add for the 40GF in the right hand side. So to produce clockwise moments about the middle point, let d centimeter be the distance from the middle. Imagining the 40GF is add for the d centimeter and find out the d. Clockwise movement is equal to 20 into 40. The two weights, so 20 into 40 and 40 into d. Suppose this is the meter scale. See here the meter setup diagram I show. This is the 50 and here 90 is the 20 GF. So where is the height for the 40 GF? Suppose this distance is the d and this distance is the phi naught. Anti-clockwise movement is the same, 40 into 40 means the 1600 according to the principle of movement. What is the principle of movement? Anti-clockwise movement is always equal to the clockwise movement. Means anti-clockwise movement is equal to the clockwise movement. So meter is the balance. What is here for the anti-clockwise movement? 40 into 40 and clockwise movement 20 into 40 plus 40 into t. 40 into 40 1600. 40 into 40 is the 1600 and 20 into 40 is the 800 for the previous answer, but now extra for the 40 is here 40d. 800 go to the other side, plus sign is the opposite for the minus, so 1600 minus 800 is the 800. So 40d is always equal to the 800. What is the d is equal to 800 divided by 40, 0 0 cut, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8 and 0 is the 20, otherwise 420 is the 80. So where is the d? 20 centimeter for the on the other side. The rule can be brought in equilibrium balance by placing the additional weight of 40 GF. So here for the from the what is the midpoint 50. Right hand side the 20 centimeter. Where is the mark? 20 plus 50 70 centimeter mark. Any doubt for any here? Ask the question directly. And what is the homework? See the page number 7 and page number 17 and 18. Sorry, first see the homework. Page number 17 and 18. 1 minute. Okay, page number 7 and 8. Sorry, page number 7 and 8. Page number 7 and 7 and page number 7 and 8. Problem number 18 and 20. Page number 7 and 8. Problem number 18 and 22. Sorry, page number 7 and 8. And for the question number, problem number 18 and 20, your homework. Please complete the homework in the notebook. And this numerical solution is also written down in the notebook. I sent to the WhatsApp is also. Thank you.